Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be exploring one of the most essential elements in project management inside ERP Next, tasks. Tasks are the foundation of any project. They help you break down large objectives into smaller, manageable pieces of work that can be assigned, tracked, and completed efficiently. Whether you are a project manager or a team member, understanding how to properly use and manage tasks in ERP Next will help you maintain clarity, accountability, and progress in every project. Let us get started. To access the task module, navigate to Home. Under Projects module, you can see Task. From here, you can view, create, edit, and manage all the tasks linked to your various projects. There are two methods to create a new task in ERP Next. Through the task list, go to the task list, click on Add Task, enter the subject, let's say data collection. This will be the title of your task. Click Save to store the task. This method is ideal for creating standalone or general tasks not yet linked to a specific project. Another method is to create from within a project. Navigate to the project you are working on. On the project dashboard, locate the task section. Click the plus icon to create a new task directly under this project. This automatically links your task with the chosen project, ensuring better traceability. Enter the subject, say for example, documentation, and sign off. When creating or editing a task, ERP Next offers several fields to capture detailed information for better controlling and reporting. Status reflects the current state of the task. Common options include open, working, overdue, pending review, completed, and cancelled. These statuses show up in dashboards and reports for quick tracking. Project links the task to a specific project, especially if it was not created within one. Priority defines how urgent or important the task is. Choose from low, medium, or high. This helps with workload management. Issue associates the task with an existing customer issue or support ticket, allowing visibility from issue to resolution. Weight assigns a numerical value that determines the task's contribution to overall project completion. Heavier tasks contribute more to the total project percentage. Type categorize the task, for example, documentation, development, training, or implementation. Color assign a color label for easy identification in visual views like Gantt or Kanban. Is group check this if the task is a parent task that contains subtasks. Group tasks do not have time or cost but act as containers for other tasks. Is template use this if the task is part of a project template so it can be reused in future projects. Parent task use this to build nested task hierarchies linking related work together for complex projects. ERPNext allows you to plan timelines and workloads directly in the task. Expected start date is the planned start date of the task used in scheduling and Gantt charts. Expected end date is the target completion date for the task. Expected time is the estimated number of hours required to complete it. Used for utilization and productivity reporting. Progress, you can manually enter the percentage of completion, for example, 50% or 100%. Is milestone marks the task as a milestone, a key checkpoint in the project timeline. Description add detailed instructions, references, or links to help the assigned person understand the task requirements. One thing to note is that ERP Next now automatically skips company holidays based on your assigned holiday list when calculating start and end dates for tasks, ensuring more accurate scheduling. ERP Next supports dependent tasks, meaning one task cannot start until another is completed. This is helpful for planning logical workflows and visualizing them in the Gantt chart, where linked tasks appear with arrows showing their sequence. As you can see here, the arrows tell which task is dependent to others. You can drag and drop tasks to adjust timelines and dependencies update instantly. When timesheets are linked to tasks, ERP Next automatically updates total hours worked, employee breakdown, notes or time logs. The actual start date and actual end date are automatically fetched from the first and last timesheet entries for that task. This helps managers see delays, track real versus planned durations, and measure accuracy in project scheduling. ERP Next automatically calculates cost and billing data from linked timesheets and expense claims. Total costing amount, the internal company cost for completing the tasks based on employee rates. Total billing amount, the amount billed to the customer pulled from the timesheets. These values roll up into the overall project profitability report to help analyze cost efficiency and margins. For better organization and control, department assign tasks to the specific departments for cross-team visibility and departmental reporting. There is also a tab for company. For instance, if there are multiple company setups, specify which company owns the task. This helps ERP Next maintain correct accounting entries, cost centers, and permissions across your business structure. And that's it. We have learned that tasks are the building blocks of effective project management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ERP Next tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.